All right. So once you've chosen your artwork, then I want you to get started on these next two assignments is the library assignment and the maps. The library assignment takes time to do. You can't just walk into the library, find the book, and walk out. And we're not using our class, our school library. We're using the college library. So let's go in and let me show you what I want you to do. All right, this right here is a link to the video that explains how to find a book, how to get a book, how to get a library card, how to get your student ID, all the things that you need to accomplish in order to do the full library assignment. So I want you to watch that. But I want you to, by I think it's due Friday, the 22nd. Yeah. By Friday, I want you to prove to me that you started doing that. So I'm giving you 17 days to get this library book. And the reason why I'm giving you this time, because it takes time to find the library book, and it takes time, like you're going to be accessing not only the Lone Star College system, all their libraries, but also the Harris County libraries. So there's like dozens of libraries that you'll be looking at. And maybe the book that you want is way over there on the other side of Houston. And you're going to have them send it to the library that's close by. That takes a few days to do. So start this early. And to force you guys to start it early, by Friday, I want you to prove to me that you've started the process, that you've looked online and found a book online and are having it sent, or you put it on hold or something. And then I want you to tell me your plan of how you are going to go to the library. For example, by show of hands, how many of you have a driver's license? All right, so that's about half. So you can drive yourself to the library, right? Those of you that don't have a driver's license, you're going to have to depend on somebody else to drive you. Maybe you can find a friend that has a driver's license, but it just might be your parents or older sibling or something. So I want you to tell me that plan. So find a book online and prove to me that you started the process, and then tell me your plan of how you're going to get to the library. You might be, I have a license, I'm going to drive myself. Right? Or my parents are going to take me and we're planning to go on blah, blah, blah day. Right? That's what I want done by Friday. So let's take, click on this right here. It says library assignment part 1 instructions. And in this are the instructions, written instructions for how to do this first assignment. All right, so just follow the directions. This next thing right here is an example of what to do. So this is what I want you to turn in. So we click on that, and this makes me angry. There's a lot of notes that I've written on here that are not showing up. So if you click down here, right, if you click on this and it downloads, and then you click on it, it has, so here I want you, this is a document, and I want you to, this is an example of what I want it to look like. So up here is you're going to have your last name, not my last name. So you're going to go in, I'm going to give you a copy of this. I'm going to give you a copy of this, and you go in and change my last name to your last name. And then this big blue rectangle, you're going to upload evidence that you have started the assignment. It might be a screenshot that you have found your book at the library, or you put a hold on the book at the library, or you're having your book sent to another library. It might be a screenshot of that. It might be a selfie with the video of explaining the assignment of how to manipulate the library, right? So it might be that, just some evidence that you have started the assignment. And then right down here is tell me what book you found and how you found it, just a sentence or two real quick. And then tell me what your plan on how you will get your book, how you're going to get it, right? I have a license. I'll drive myself. My mom's going to drive me. We're going to go on such and such day. All right. So something, prove to me that you've thought about this. The reason I'm doing this is that so many of my students wait until the last minute to do this library assignment, and this can't be done last minute. You have to start it, and then you have to have stuff sent from one library to another. And so it takes time. Right? It's not just walking in and walking out. All right. So this is due by Friday.